So, someone bought himself a sketch pad.
Oh, yeah.
Well, do I get to see it?
Tomorrow, with everybody else.
Dude, I'm the whole reason that you got an extension from Ledarski, so I should at least get to see the fruits of my labor.
Oh, hey, I gotta meet the guys for practice, but do you wanna meet me later so you could draw me?
I don't know. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Like, all my ideas seem not good enough. Hey, didn't you already have practice?
Yeah. This one's unofficial, though. One of the guys is having trouble learning the new plays, and the coach is on the verge of cutting him, so a few of us are just helping him out.
That's very cool of you.
Well, you do it for me.